We're going that way.
Going that way.
Is that going the other way?
This is Newborough Lake.
Why don't we go the other way?
Because there's nothing there. That's Dead Horse Bay.
Why we get stuck there?
There used to be a dead horse in a house there.
Really?
Yeah, somebody tried to ride it through the house and its legs fell through the floor and they left it there.
That's sad.
Just a skeleton and leather.
We can't go that way.
Back in that corner.
Because it'll end, because it's a dead end.
So that's why it's called Dead Horse.
Dead Horse Bay, yeah?
See, buddy, look, there's the other boats.